And so we all told our stories about what we were doing, but what emerged was that the value of being involved through Big Local was we'd connected. Big Local had provided some funding to allow some of these things to happen, but actually its bigger thing it had done was it had acted as a bit of a catalyst.
We thought we'd gel a few stories together because it had been a lot about the sort of physical appearance and development of Whitley Bay. Anne had done a survey about access, especially for people with disabilities, and that was how important it was, and they'd gone street to street looking at the access of Whitley Bay because of the importance of development, making sure that people with wheelchairs and limited ability can get around, which is vital. And then Jean has been working on the park, the local park where the water park is, and they're developing a Friends of the Park, and through the Big Local they were able to get a small Sparks grant to get insurance and other pieces of equipment to get them kick-started. And myself, I'm on the market committee, the New Green Beans Market Committee, where the Big Local provided tables for us to enable the market to start off and develop. So all these things wouldn't have been possible necessarily without some type of support from Big Local.
Sometimes you know you've made an impact because you mentioned earlier that when we had this meeting about the environment and we had 40 people turn up or something, then we knew we touched a nerve then.
Exactly.
And so when we took action about it, we knew that we were making some sort of contribution to people's lives.
Yeah. We are also an intermediary, we are kind of catalyst.
So I just gave him a little tour of the town, and because I was looking at it with somebody else, I was forced to kind of really look at it.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, actually, it's canny, isn't it?
Quite often people just came into the shop for a chat and ended up with a form, and that's a really lovely idea, and why don't we do this? And
projects we funded, like the CSCS cards.
Yeah. Well, do you think that was a success, the CSCS?
Well, we've done it 3 times now, and I think probably almost 100% of people have passed, and many of them have gone into further training and to work.